Professor K here, and today we're going to learn how to set up a WordPress.com website for free. Those are the key words here. Sometimes it's not so easy in a product to actually get to the free part of the product, and WordPress.com is kind of like that. You have to click some tricky buttons. You have to kind of like watch for the free part. Otherwise, it's really easy to accidentally like buy a domain or a plan on WordPress.com. So we're going to go through the whole process here, and I'm going to show you from start to finish how to get a free website on WordPress.com. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to https://wordpress.com/free. That's going to get you right to this Get Started button here. Go ahead and click that. And what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to create an account. Now, I'm going to add here my email address, a username, and a password. And that way we'll go through and create accounts. So here I've added my email address, I've chosen a username and a password. I'm going to go ahead and click that Create Your Account button. So in this next part, it's going to ask you what domain you want. The domain name is going to be the name inside the URL here that you want at WordPress.com. So I would pick something professional if you're using this for class or as a possible future portfolio website. For example, I'm going to put Professor K Explains and see if that's available. And check that out, it is. So when you enter your domain name, whatever you want WordPress.com to actually show up as, it's going to kind of put you over here and say you can get this for free. However, what you want to do if you're participating in one of my classes, or you don't want to be roped into paying for a domain name or an actual paid plan on WordPress.com, is to make sure you go with this first result here that says your domain name .wordpress.com. And again, try choosing something professional. I'm using Professor K Explains because that's my YouTube handle. We're going to select the free one. So at this next screen, again, it's going to look like you have to pay for something. You don't want to do that. This is kind of a really interesting example of unintuitive design in a website. So because all of the focus is on these boxes, it's really easy to miss this choose a plan or start with a free site. Make sure you click start with a free site. You should not be paying for this. That's why you're watching this YouTube video, is to get a free WordPress.com site. So let's start here. And now, once we've clicked that, it's going to take a few minutes just to set everything up. In the background, what's happening is a new site is being created. They're putting together some sample content, and then they're putting in a theme for you. So with that, that's how you create a new free WordPress.com site. Next, we're going to take a look at how to do a post, as well as how to change the theme on your website to use something a little bit more portfolio focused. I'll see you in just a moment.